And Garland states again present. What's the status today, Ms. Garland?
Your Honor, we can set this for a final pre-trial conference, which should have a resolution.
Any objection, I state?
No, Your Honor.
We'll set it August 27th at 9 for a final pretrial. Just given the age of the case, I think we need to get on the trial calendar. There's a jury demand, so we'll set that August 14th at 8:30 for a jury. So sir, just keep in touch with your attorney. August 14th at 8:30. No, October 14th. Only one cup of coffee. Yes, sir.
Can we do it at 9 like we usually do, sir? Because
Well,
I
I'm saying so
till then.
August 27th. We can do it 9.
That would work.
Yeah, final pretrial August 27th at 9 a.m. We'll set a jury October 14th at 8:30. Sir, just keep in touch with your attorney.
Yeah.
Nah. We have Mr. Means here on Zoom.
Yes, good morning.
This is 2502 CM 544 State v. Randall Means. Good morning, sir. Can you please state your name?
Rendell Clifford Means.
All right, I believe Mr. Means, and he's here today via Zoom. Counsel Manny Garland's here in the courtroom, as is the state where we stand. Mr. Garland.
Your Honor, my client would like to enter into an oral plea agreement today as to count 1, it'd be 270 days. Montgomery County Jail initially executed capital time served, remainder to probation, fine and cost, and then no contact with Joseph Mann. And I did speak to probation, and they're okay with remotely monitoring.
Is that your understanding, state?
Yes, Your Honor.
Is that your understanding, Mr. Means?
Yes.
So in order to accept that plea, you need to make sure you understand your constitutional rights. You have the right to a public and speedy trial by jury. You have the right to be presumed innocent unless and until the state proves your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to confront and cross-examine any witnesses against you. You have the right to have witnesses come into court, testify on your behalf. You have the right against self-incrimination and the right to appeal your conviction if found guilty. You understand you have all those rights?
Yes.
You understand if you had to be waiving or giving those up?
Yes.
Is this involuntary act?
Yes.
Any threats or promises outside of this agreement to get you to plead guilty?
No.
Is there anybody threatened you in any way or made any promises to you outside of this agreement, conversations you've had with your attorney to get you to plead guilty today?
No.
Do you swear or affirm the testimony you give today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
You can put your hand down. Please state your name.
Rendell Clifford Means.
All right, Mr. Means, went to this agreement on count 1, invasion of privacy is a class A misdemeanor. How do you plead today? Guilty or not guilty?
Guilty.
Your Honor, good morning, sir. Could you please state your date of birth?
January 3rd, 1985.
All right, so I don't know what's going on with your connection, but we can't understand a word you're saying at this point.
January
So possibly getting
January 3rd, 1985.
it's extremely garbled. I'm not sure what's going on there. Is there a possibility you could get to better Wi-Fi somewhere, relocate somewhere with better connection?
Can you hear me better now?
Not really.
Can you hear me?
Intermittently.
Your Honor, sometimes turn the.
Yeah, what I'll do is I'm going to turn off your video and see if that helps the connection. Can you go ahead and state your date of birth, sir?
January 3rd, 1985.
That's way better. Go ahead, state.
Thank you, Your Honor. Were you here in Montgomery County in the state of Indiana on January 11th of 2025?
No.
Or well. So would you agree with me, sir, that there was a protective order to protect or to prevent rather domestic or family violence or harassment issued under Indiana Code 34-26-5 by the Circuit Court of Montgomery County to protect Joseph Mann?
Yes, when I contacted him through Facebook Messenger, through a message, my children were down there with my ex-wife.
Okay. And Mr. Mann is a resident of Montgomery County, or at least was at the time. Is that fair to say?
That is correct.
Okay. So given that information, what you said about Facebook Messenger and your consultation with your attorney, you'd agree with me that you're guilty of invasion of privacy as a Class A misdemeanor?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Any questions on facts, Ms. Garland?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
According to her factual basis, defendant's voluntary plea of guilty is going to find Mr. Means guilty of count 1. I'm going to accept the agreement, dismiss count 2, and we can proceed to sentencing. Any other evidence, Ms. Garland?
No, Your Honor.
Any other evidence, state?
No, Your Honor, thank you.
So the court today, sir, has found you guilty of count 1, and I'm going to sentence you to 270 days, Montgomery County Jail. That's all going to be suspended. And you're placed on probation for 270 days. Your probation officer will go through those terms with you. Take one particular term is going to be you're not going to have any contact with Joseph Mann. There's going to be court costs of $189, public defender fee of $100, probation fees of $100 initially, then $20 for each month. Just make sure to get in touch with probation before the end of the day today. And we'll show Ms. Garland's appearance drawn. Good luck, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.